Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Things where I talk about random things, do unboxing videos and whatnot. Yeah, today I'm going to be unboxing this Victorinox Swiss Army knife. This will be the compact in red. Let's just take it out of the box. Nothing fancy, just a box. And yeah, some paperwork. Yeah, so this is the Swiss Army knife multi-tool. So why did I get this? Well, I do own 58mm classic SD and the Rambler, and I have been carrying them around. But sometimes I found it was too small, like the blade and the scissors that's in it. So I thought I'll try out something that I can carry around every day in my pocket that is not too big, so it had to be slim, the width, and had all the functionalities that I wanted from a multi-tool. And this just fit the bill. So just going over the tools that are included in this model. You got the really nice blade, Swiss Army knife, sharp. And you got this one combo tool, wire stripper. Can be used as a bottle opener here. And they say it can be used as a can opener, but it doesn't have sharp edges, so I don't know how effective that is. And on the tip here, this could be used as a flathead screwdriver, and also Phillips on the corner there. But yeah, those are some of the functionalities. They say it's included, but I don't really know. But one of the must-have was this scissors, which is very high quality, works really well. I mean, these ones have scissors as well, and they come in handy in many situations. And yeah, it's just had become a must-have feature on a multi-tool I was looking for. This one is a Farmer A-Locks that came before the Farmer X was released, just a few months actually. But had I known, I would have gone for the Farmer X, which had the scissors. But this is a great multi-tool. Like, it looks super nice, and it's very solid, as you can see, being A-Locks. But one thing missing from this is the scissors. It doesn't have the scissors, and yeah, users wanted the scissor feature on the Farmer. So Swiss Army knife, actually, Victorinox, they listened, and then they included the scissors on the Farmer, and they called it Farmer X, with X being the scissors. But yeah, going back to this multi-tool, I want something slim that I can carry around in an urban setting. This is not going to be used for like camping and stuff like that. So it had to be slim, and as you can see, this is a 2-layer multi-tool. It's got scissors, like I said, and it's got other features that are pretty convenient to carry around, like the corkscrew here. Could come in handy when you're trying to open a bottle of wine. And this also includes this mini screwdriver that could be used, to tighten loose things on your glasses or whatnot. And yeah, it's just cool how it can be screwed onto this corkscrew, which is super nice. Another function it has is this parcel hook, which can be used to, lift up whatever cans you have on the handle when it's hot and stuff like that, or tent stakes when you're camping. And what's unique about this particular parcel hook is that the compact version has this file that you can use on one side. which I think is unique to compact model, which could come in handy. And yeah, another feature that this one has is it includes a pin on the scale itself. Yeah, so that's on this side of the tool, which is very handy. And talking about scale, while we are on the topic of scale, this is what you call a plus scale. So normally these plastic scales, as you can see, would have the famous tweezers and toothpick, which is missing from ALOX versions, as you can see. But this one, on top of the regular tweezers and toothpick, what this has is a pen, which could come in handy in many situations. So having that extra feature on the plus scale is a bonus feature on this compact model. So I've shown you the blade already and the scissors and the combo. So those are the tools found on this side of the multi-tool here, and the scale. Yeah, so those are the tools that come in, or comes with the compact, being slim, bigger than just for the size comparison, the SD and the Rambler. The 58mm multi-tools, the Victorinox 58mm multi-tools are really handy. I mean, I did carry them a lot, and yeah, used them in a variety of situations. But the 91mm isn't that big either. It's a medium size, what you call Victorinox. And yeah, compared to ALOX, this Farmer has actually 3 layers. But then if you see it side by side with the compact, which has the 2 layers, it's actually slimmer. I checked the dimensions on the website, and Farmer ALOX, the width is 22, or the width here is the 22, and this one comes in at 26mm. I guess because they're including the tools on the other side as well. This one's, you know, flush. There's no tools on one side. But one thing I noticed is the weight, because this is the ALOX version. It feels much more solid in your hands. And also, when you tap it, compared to the ALOX, this kind of feels hollow, plasticky, compared to the ALOX. So, difference in quality, but compromise the weight. This one's heavier, so when you're trying to carry around with the minimal weight, then I think this would be a better option. But then this one feels much more solid. Had this had a scissors, I would have never gotten this actually. So if I had the Farmer ALOX or Farmer X ALOX with the 3 layers, I don't think there is a point in getting the compact. But because this was missing the scissors, which I really wanted on my everyday carry, so I was looking for something more compact, hence the name compact. And yeah, that doesn't take too much real estate in my pocket either. So if you go 3 layers up from this, you get another blade, and they have a model called a Climber. That one was pretty good too, but I wanted something like 2 layers, like I said, slimmer. This was more expensive, by the way, than the Climber or the Farmer, because of I think the extra features that's in here, the plus scale and everything. But I got it on sale, so it was kind of no-brainer. I got it for cheaper than the Climber or the Huntsman. So similar to this one, the 91mm series, you got the compact, and if you have an extra layer from here, you get an option. If you're looking for scissors, there's a climber, and the keeping the scissors, the next layer. With the 4 layers series, you got the Huntsman. Huntsman is a really popular model as well as the climber. But then, yeah, like I keep saying, I wanted something slimmer, so I got this. Yeah, red is a really nice color too. It's the original. But if they had black one on sale, then I would have got this one. Yeah, I just wanted to compare the scissors on these. As you can see, when you compare the scissors size with the Classic SD, you can see it's much bigger. But then, yeah, if you want to use scissors for like, cutting nails and stuff like that, I think this would be more effective than this one because of the size and the precision that you can. Almost feels sharper too, actually. I don't know if that's true, but yeah, there you go. And the climber actually would have extra blade on here. I don't know if I said that, but yeah, so this would be a really nice pocket tool, multi-tool that I'll be carrying around. And yeah, maybe another thing, to use your pen. I mean, you can use your pen like that, no problem. But I've seen online that what you can do is you put the pen here in this slot. And then just close this. And then use it as like that. Yeah, so there you go. That's one of the tips. And then I've ordered actually this suspension clip that I'll put on here as well. Same as the one you see on here. Yeah, I think that covers everything I wanted to talk about. If you like the content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave comments, all of that. Thanks, bye.